Picture this. Your money feels like a tidal wave. Bills crash down. Surprise expenses ambush you. That paycheck? Gone before you even taste it. You're drowning in what-ifs. What if the car breaks down? What if the roof leaks? What if life keeps winning? But here's the secret. Chaos bows to a plan. This isn't magic, it's mastery. 4 rules etched into the DNA of every financial warrior. No jargon, no judgment. Just a roadmap to turn panic into power. Rule number 1, create a budget. Creating a budget is a key pillar of financial literacy. It gives you a clear picture of where your money goes and empowers smarter spending decisions. Think of budgeting not as a limitation, but as a path to clarity. Monitor your income and expenses for 30 days using an app or spreadsheet. Review monthly and make small adjustments. Even minor changes can lead to major financial control. Rule number 2, save automatically. Saving money may seem tough, but it creates a safety net for emergencies and brings you closer to big goals like owning a home or retiring early. Start by budgeting, automate saving, and cutting unnecessary expenses. Stay disciplined, and over time, saving becomes second nature, bringing peace of mind and financial freedom. Rule number 3, build an emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to handle life's surprises without diving into debt. Start small, $500, then grow it to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. This financial cushion eases stress, avoids credit card traps, and brings lasting peace of mind. Rule number 4, invest early. Let your money grow by investing in stocks, ETFs, or real estate. Start small, be consistent, and see time work its magic. Saving helps, but investing builds real wealth without extra hours at work. With smart choices, your money can multiply over time. It's one of the fastest paths to financial freedom. Key takeaway: 1. A budget is a map to your goals. 2. Pay yourself first. 3. No emergency fund, walking a tightrope. 4. Saving is safe. Investing is growth. If you haven't, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment on the channel. Thank you.